Tutorial 15, Grid View Actions, Editing and Filtering. In this video, we'll look at the creation of actions within our grid views, directly edit grid view content, and use the grid view filtering. Let's start by adding a grid action. Open the Business's dashboard and navigate to the Contact Details tab. Here, we'll unlock the layout and then move to the configuration stream by right-clicking and selecting Show Stream Configuration. We now need to add an action that we can add to our grid view. Add an action and we'll call this Email Contact. We'll use the same name for the display name. Open the Action Completion section. We're going to add a URL expression. This will be fired when we call the action. Here, we're going to use the mail-to prefix. This is a special URL. Various resources are available online to see how to construct a mail-to URL. We've added an underscore form.email, so we're telling PhixFlow to grab that email address from the current form that we're on. And now we're just adding a subject to our email. We'll see how this is laid out when we test it. Save your changes and now open up the configuration form for the email attribute. And here we'll choose our new action. Save your changes, close the dashboard, and we'll reopen the Business's dashboard. On the contact details now, we'll see when we navigate to email, there's a small cog. If we click on this, it will open up an email client. The to email has been collected from our form, and the subject is what we entered in our URL. Switch back to design mode, and now we'll look at editing content directly on grid views. Open the Business's dashboard and navigate to the Contact Details tab. Right-click on this view and select Show Stream View Configuration. Here, we'll navigate down and open up the Advanced section and tick Autosave. This means that when we make edits, the system will automatically save them for us. To make an attribute editable, open its configuration form and under the grid settings, untick Read Only. Save these changes and now switch to application mode. You should now be able to edit the job title directly on the grid. Finally, let's look at how we can apply filtering to grid views. It's possible to filter data based on the content of its column. To do this, switch back to design mode and on the Business's dashboard at the top, select Show Stream View Configuration. From here, we will tick Enable Filter Picker. If you now click on one of the column headers, you'll see that there's a grid on the right hand side. Selecting this will show you all of the values available in that grid. You can choose one and apply your filter. The view is now filtered based on the criteria that we entered. To remove any filtering, select the header again and choose Clear All.